Kid level. There's a few things you need to know that I got wrong. Skirt! Do you know how to put it together? Do you know how to use it? Or what comes with it? Or what it looks like? Or the quality? So we're gonna compare it to a DeWalt shop vac and a Shark. The main body, you got your LCD screen, power button, increase suction mode on and off. Press. To do maintenance on it, you're gonna press this button and twist the nose of it off. When you go to clean it, you take the filter out, and then you take this bit out with a little bit of soap and water, and the same for this. Cleans up really nice, as you can tell, it looks almost brand new. You've got your two brushes, your crevice, and then your dual function brush with the bristles, which can extend out, and any of them can attach. I'm kind of short. How little and cute it gets. It works so good for me. There's a release right here. You can go flat or tilt 180. Level 1, level 2. Compared to another brand, super light. But this shop vac is 50% quieter than most. I could talk to someone in the same room and not be screaming. A stand-up test. So you can tell by the way they sound the difference in weight. Yeah, the difference in size alone is pretty crazy. And when you install the wall mount, it has a sticker, so you can place it and then you screw it. Very sturdy. And we stand. I love this thing. This vacuum is the best. Try it out.